Hey guys, welcome to my channel PC Tips Pro. Today I talk about how to create a multiple account of Instagram. So let's get started. But I want to request, please do not forget hit like button and subscribe button, and also get to click all notification button. So let's get started. So I want first of you can click a mobile settings, and down the slide you can see here app colon. You can click, and then you can be use multiple account of Insta. So click enable and go to back mobile screen back. Then you can see here two parallel app and two account use be this app. So then we use second account of Instagram. You can use two parallel app and two account of parallel account of Instagram. So use enjoy the app. Please like button, subscribe button, and notification button. Thank you.